Welcome to Civils. Today's topic 3a minus 7b minus c whole square is a to change. Let's see the solution. You know that a plus b plus c whole square is a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. So that's why to change this equation. So taking a is equal to 3a, b is equal to minus 7b, c is equal to minus c. Substitute these values. 3a whole square plus minus 7b whole square plus minus c whole square plus 2 into 3a into minus 7b plus 2 into minus 7b into minus 7c plus 2 into minus c into 3a. So this is 9a square because 3 square is 9a square plus 7 square is 49b square plus c square minus 42ab plus 14bc plus minus 6ca. This